Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HTTP/3 in QUIC on a VPS with Caddy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure HTTP/3 in QUIC on a virtual private server with Caddy, you need to follow a few steps. First, ensure you have a VPS running a compatible operating system, such as Ubuntu 20.04 or above. Log into your VPS using SSH with your terminal. Update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install Caddy by adding its official repository. Run the command curl-1sl https://deb.caddyserver.com/repo/release/keys/c3. Add the Caddy repository using echo deb https://deb.caddyserver.com/repo/debian $lsb_releases main sudo t/etc/app/sources.list.d/caddy.list. Update your package list again with sudo apt update. Now, install Caddy using the command sudo apt install Caddy. After the installation, open the Caddy configuration file located at /etc/caddy/caddy file. Edit the Caddy file to enable HTTP/3. Add the line 443 followed by your domain and the protocol options 443 protocol experimental HTTP3. Ensure you also specify the file serving location and any other necessary directives. Next, configure your firewall to allow UDP traffic, as QUIC operates over UDP. For UFW users, you can allow UDP traffic on port 443 with the command sudo of allow 443 comment. Save the configuration file after editing. Now, restart the Caddy service to apply the changes with the command sudo system to restart Caddy. To check if Caddy is running correctly, use system status Caddy. You can also test the HTTP/3 configuration using tools like Chrome DevTools or browser extensions. Finally, ensure your domain's DNS settings are properly configured to point to your VPS before testing. Once everything is in place, you should be able to access your site using HTTP/3 in QUIC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.